Carsten here from Open Road Overland with the MagPak. The first time we get our hands on it, and we wanted to show you how it looks when it's closed. It's 100% aluminum shell, a fantastic setup. You have full pop-up tent, the traditional clamshell tail that it hints at the foot end. Massive brackets here to make sure that everything is tight and fit. You have mounting rails all the way around, as you can see here, already fitted with an awning, so it's easy to fit an Overland Vehicle System awning directly to the side rails. Massive opening handles, as you can see here, and it's kind of full with everything, as you can see there. So closing that down again, seals all the way around to keep dust out as much as possible. And if you look to the rear, you have this protection panel here before you reach the tempered glass and the integrated third brake light. And you open up, I don't know if I can do that actually, but let's see, we might be able to do so. Open up here, as you can see there's a lot of stuff inside already, but that's as easy as that. And it has a lip to keep out dust here, so it will seal against the tailgate. Yeah, that's the lip. And then you can just, I'm not going to open it now because it's full of stuff, as you can see. And it's easy to close as well. There we go, easy peasy. And when you want to open the tent, I'm not going to do that now. We have actually one over here. If Alex can just show over there, we have one open over here. We already did a separate video on that. But it is as simple as when you want to open up, you simply undo these hinges here, pull the safety pin out, lift it up, and you're ready to go.